In human body, there is a pair of filtration and excretory organs. They are called kidneys. The filtration function of the kidneys occurs in about 1 million spherical structures, and these spherical structures are called glomeruli. Under normal conditions, the plasma protein in the glomerular capillaries is controlled by the intact filtration barrier and goes along with blood flow. Only micromolecular substances such as metabolites of normal organism, creatinine, and micromolecular protein can go through the filtration barrier into renal capsular space. And then be passed out with urine. Pathological changes in different parts of the kidney lead to different pathological types of kidney disease. IgA nephropathy is a glomerular disease that is characterized by IgA immune complexes depositing on glomerular mesangial areas, leading to proliferation of mesangial cells and mesangial matrix. The main clinical manifestation is hematuria. Proteinuria may also occur in some cases. IgA nephropathy, infection of respiratory tract, urinary tract, and intestinal mucosa can cause mucosal bone marrow axis dysfunction so as to produce abnormal immunoglobulin A1. As antigen, abnormal immunoglobulin A1 stimulates immune system to produce corresponding antibodies. The combination of antigen and antibodies generates immunoglobulin A immune complexes. At the same time, abnormal immunoglobulin A1 has self-aggregation ability, which is easy to form immunoglobulin A1 multimers. Immunoglobulin A1 immune complexes and multimers can go into kidneys with blood circulation and deposit onto glomerular mesangial cells, activating mesangial cells so as to lead to proliferation of mesangial cells and mesangial matrix. The activated mesangial cells release various cytokines and inflammatory mediator to activate endothelial cells. After this activation, connections between endothelial cells widen and red blood cells are close to endothelial cells and are rolling, adhesion, and deformation in the edge, while the broadening endothelial cell feature and some fractured basement membrane. Red blood cells reach renal capsule. During the process through renal tubular, red cells will have various types of deformation, leading to hematuria. There are three main manifestations of hematuria. First, the deformation rate of red blood cells in urine is over 80%. Second, the deformation forms of red blood cells is over 3. Third, among the abnormal red blood cells, spur shape or spinous shape of red blood cells is over 5%. In IgA nephropathy, aberrant proliferation of mesenchymal cells and the mesenchymal matrix were observed under light microscope. Electron-dense deposits in the mesenchymal region are observed under electron microscope. Mass IgA deposits along the glomerular mesenchymal region.
Hello everyone, this is the nephrologist online video consultation of Beijing Tung Shin Tang Hospital of Traditional Chinese Medicine. And today we have invited Professor Zhang Bin joining us in this broadcast program.
大家好。上一次呢，我们讲了 IgA 肾病是一个什么样的病。那么这一次我们主要讲的题目就是说，为什么会得 IgA 肾病？
Okay, hello everyone, and last time we talked about what a disease the IgA nephropathy is, and today our main topic is why you get this IgA nephropathy.
由于饮食和环境中的有毒有害物质进入了人体，超过了人体的这个处理能力，引起人体的质炎和抗炎平衡的这个失调，那么使人体内环境向质炎的方向倾斜，身体呢就处于一个微炎症状态。
Okay, due to the toxic and harmful substance in the diet and the environment enter the human body that exceeds the processing capacity of the human body. This will cause the imbalance of human inflammatory and anti-inflammatory, make the internal body environment incline to the inflammatory direction. Then you are in a state of a slight inflammatory state.
尽管你体内呢处于一个微炎症状态，但是平时从来没有发病。那么一旦你患上了上呼吸道感染，比如说感冒呀、扁桃体炎啊、鼻炎呢、咽炎啊，或者说是尿路感染，那么包括无症状的上尿路感染，或者说是口腔炎、牙周炎、肠炎等等。那么在反复的黏膜感染刺激下，人体免疫系统就产生了大量糖基化异常的 IgA。
While your body is in a state of slight inflammation, but never there is no ordinary times once you get upper respiratory tract infection such as cold, tonsillitis, and rhinitis, urinary tract infection, including asymptomatic upper urinary tract infection, stomatitis, peritonitis, and enteritis, under the stimulation of the repeated infection of a mucous membrane, the body's immune system will produce a large amount of glycosylation, IgA1 anomaly.
那么人体呢，如果说不能够清除这种异常的 IgA， 那么与对应的特异抗体相结合，就形成了免疫复合物，与肾脏细膜细胞上的这个特殊受体相结合，沉积在肾小球的细膜区，进一步活化细膜细胞到炎症状态。那么发生细膜细胞增殖和细膜基质增生，通过细胞因子影响肾小球内皮细胞和足细胞。
Okay, the body cannot clean up this abnormal IgA1, which can combine with the corresponding specific antibody to form immune complex, combining with the special receptor on the kidney mesenchymal cells and depositing in the glomerular mesenchymal area, further activating the inflammatory state of mesenchymal cell and leading to the proliferation of mesenchymal cells and the mesenchymal matrix. that can affect the glomerular endocellular cells and also the food cells through cytokines.
内皮细胞活化自分泌和旁分泌细胞因子，那么破坏内皮细胞间的连接，导致了红细胞漏出到尿液当中，形成了血尿。那么足细胞活化自分泌和旁分泌细胞因子，破坏了足细胞相关蛋白和足细胞的骨架，导致了足细胞的屏障受损。那么血浆蛋白呢就漏出到了尿液当中，这样的话就形成了一个尿蛋白。
Endocellular cells activate the autocrine and the parascreen cytokines and destroy the intracellular connections between endocellular cells, leading to the leakage of red blood cells into the urine and the formation of hematuria. Food cells activate autocrine and paracrine cytokines, damage the related protein and cytoskeletons of food cells, leading to the damage of cell barrier, leakage of plasma protein into the urine, the formation of proteinuria.
那么在当初呢，你患上这个任何一种病，没有引起你的重视，或者是治疗不彻底，才会诱发今天的 IgA 肾病的发生。那么既然已经知道得病的原因了，那么下一期呢，我们继续讲解为什么会久治不愈。
Okay, at the beginning of suffering from this kind of disease, it doesn't arouse your attention or was not completely treated at that time. And this will induce today's IgA nephropathy. Now that we have known about the causation of this disease, we will continue to explain the next issue why it will not be cured for long term.
感谢朋友们的收看，下期再见。
Okay, thanks for watching at this time, and we will see you next time.